Okay guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and of course we will be checking out all the assets together and see how we can make up to $500 in tonight's edition. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. There is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course do your own personal practice before you try them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Miracle trading indicator. Right from here it started an uptrend, got to the resistance zone and played around there for a while. It's trying to go back on downtrend, but we need it to break out below the support zone, so we expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, most especially once it breaks out below the support zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, let's check it out together. This is boom 500, still on 5-minute time frame. That been on uptrend for a very long time, played around there for a while, but broke out above it to get to a new resistance zone. Okay, so it's trying to go back on downtrend right now. Once it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more, so we expect more of a selling opportunity also from this particular asset. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. This also has also been on uptrend for a very long time, and of course got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend right from there. You can see the red flag signifying a downtrend, and of course we need it to break out below this. Once it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more, and of course we expect it to get to this region once it breaks out below that. Okay, so you should take note of that. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity also than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. It had been on downtrend starting from this resistance zone. You can see the red flag. It sold till it got to this region, and of course went back on a pullback, and of course was unable to go be above this, so it started a downtrend again and broke out from the last support zone, and of course it is at a new support zone at the moment. Okay, so if it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely it's going to keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend. So for now it is still selling. This might not be for a very long time, so you should take note of that. Okay, if it's unable to break out from there, it will go back on buy trend. Okay, now let's check out the last asset, which is going to be volatility 75. Volatility 75 had also been on downtrend for a very long time. You can see the red flag and the red arrows. Okay, so it has gotten, it is around this particular support zone, and of course if it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend, so we should take note of that. This is still selling at the moment. This might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out below the support zone, then it will definitely go back into a buy trend. Okay, so these are some of the things that we will be checking, that's how we are able to come up with tonight. And of course if you we'll be trying it out tonight, make sure you do so carefully, understand the strategy before you go fully into it. And if you're joining me for the first time and yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go through my channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there and practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.